Next, question number 78. Here, a sequence from the coding strand of a gene is given. What will be the corresponding sequence of the transcribed messenger RNA? Here, as we know, during the process of transcription, there will be two strands. One runs in 3', 5' direction, that is known as the template strand. This is the template strand, and the one which runs in 5', 3' direction, it is known as the coding strand. It is also known as the sense strand because the messenger RNA which will be synthesized will be similar to this, but it will be having uracil in place of thymine. So here the sequence of this strand is given, that is AGGTACGCAT. So the new strand which will be synthesized will be similar to this, but it will be having uracil in place of thymine. So it will come out to be AGGUAUCGCAU. This will be the messenger RNA strand which will be synthesized or transcribed by this process. Hence the correct answer is first. Next, question number 81. All of the following are part of an operon except. First is an operator, second promoter, third enhancer, and fourth the structural genes. So here we can consider an example of lac operon. If we see the lac operon, operon means a series of genes are present here. First is present the regulatory gene, promoter gene, operator gene, and then there are present the structural genes. In this case, the structural gene will be Z, Y, and A respectively. So operator is there, promoter is there, and structural genes are there. So the odd one is the enhancer. Hence the option will be 3. Question number 82. Which of the following events does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum? First, protein folding. Second, phospholipid synthesis. Third, cleavage of signal peptide, and fourth is protein glycosylation. As we know that the rough endoplasmic reticulum are associated with the ribosomes, hence their functions are related to the synthesis of proteins and enzymes. Okay, so here we can see that phospholipid synthesis is the odd one. Why? Because it is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis of phospholipids and cholesterol. So here the answer will be second. Question 83. Which of these statements is incorrect? First, enzymes of TCA cycle are present in the mitochondrial matrix. Second, oxidative phosphorylation takes place in the outer mitochondrial membrane. Third, glycolysis operate as long as it is supplied with NAD that can pick up hydrogen atoms. And the fourth is glycolysis occurs in cytosol. In it, all the options are correct except the second one, that is oxidative phosphorylation takes place in the outer mitochondrial membrane, because it is occurring in the inner mitochondrial membrane, not the outer mitochondrial membrane. So the incorrect statement is second. Question 84, select the incorrect match. Let us go through the options. First, Lamprecht chromosome diplotin bivalence, this is correct. Option 2, polytene chromosomes, oocytes of amphibians, this is wrong. Polytene chromosomes are generally seen in the case of salivary glands of Drosophila. They are not present in the oocytes of amphibians, and then generally Lamprecht chromosomes are seen. Third, submetacentric chromosomes, L-shape, this is correct. Fourth option, allosome, which is the other name of the sex chromosome, this is also correct. So here the incorrect match is second. Question 87. Many ribosomes may associate with a single messenger RNA to form multiple copies of a polypeptide simultaneously. Such strings of ribosomes are termed as option 1 polysome, option 2 nucleosome, option 3 plastidome, and 4th option is polyhedral bodies. Here the first option is correct, that is polysome. Nucleosome are generally formed during the coiling and compaction of the DNA. Third is plastidome. Plastidome is related to the chloroplast DNA. And fourth is polyhedral bodies. They are found in cyanobacteria. They are generally the cell inclusions. So the correct option is first, that is polysome. Question 91. The stage during which separation of the paired homologous chromosome begins is first patchotin. Patchotin is characterized by crossing over. Second, zygotine, which is characterized by pairing or synapses. Third is diakinesis, which is characterized by terminalization. And fourth is diplotin, which is characterized by the chiasmata formation. But here it is being asked that the separation of the paired homologous chromosome begins. So beginning jo hoga, that is during the diplotin. So the correct answer is fourth. Question 92. Which of the following is true for nucleolus? Option first, large nucleoli are present in dividing cells. Option second, it is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Option third, it takes part in the spindle formation. And option fourth, it is a membrane bound structure. It is a direct question based on the function of the nucleoli if we talk about. So the correct option will be second.